how to send personalized mass emails on MailChimp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send personalized mass emails on MailChimp. So let's get started. First of all, log into your account, and here at the left side, what you got to do is click on audience and then click on all contacts. So first of all, you get to select and go and click on add contacts, and if you wish to add any other contacts, you can add them. And now in this bar, you're going to click on the option that says settings. So once you click on settings, you'll be able to see something like this in front of you. So you're going to go and search for the option that says merge cells. So MailChimp just updates over time, and the options can go from places to places, but right now merge fields is over here. So you can just click on merge fields and merge tags. So once you click on that, you will be redirected to an interface that will look something like this. So here you got to select which type of tags you want to merge. Now here it is F name, that is the first name. So whenever you wish to make the personalized email with someone's first name, you gotta write a star slash and F name slash and star, and you can also customize that for other stuff such as birthday, company, and everything else. So note that that information should be with us, with you, whoever is sending the email. So for example, just click on this email and you can go down and click on edit design. Now over here, you can write down a paragraph within a paragraph or even heading. So for example, here it's written refresh your inbox. So I'm just going to write down hey. So let me just make the font bigger so it becomes visible to everyone and it looks nice and syncs with the rest of the text. Okay, now it's written hey. Now I want the specific person's name to be here, so I'm going to write down star and 2 slash. I'm just going to write down 1 slash and then the other one appears itself. So just write down F name, and after that, if you wish to preview the text, you can just click on preview over here, and over here you'll be able to see the preview of your the canvas. So you can click on enable live merge tag info over here. So just toggle this button on. So once you do so, you can see that I have specified this one to this ajexrep@icloud.com. So that's why this person's first name was Ajax. That's why it's written hey Ajax. Now if I change the email to some others such as Amp8, so it says Ambrin, hey Ambrin. Now if I change it to any other one, it would say their name. Now you can change it from F name to L name, such as first name to last name, and preview it again. Now let's see what happens now. So let's go and click on enable live merge tag info and just click on that, and now you can see that the email from their last name was Rebelman, so it's written hey Rebelman, hey Hathaway. So that just keeps on moving. So that was basically how you can send personalized mass emails on MailChimp. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.